हेलो दोस्तों, मैं हूँ सीए विकास असावा। वेलकम यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल सीए वीके अपडेट्स। लेट्स बिगिन विद दिस वीडियो। Hello friends, this video is related to income tax, GST, MCA and other announcements made by the government in lieu of COVID-19. As you are aware that our country has been hit by COVID-19, so Prime Minister Modi has announced a 21 days complete lockdown till 14th April 2020. On the other hand, our finance minister has announced some relief for the business to cope up with the difficult times of COVID-19. So let's begin with the income tax. The last date for the belated revised return filing of the income tax return for the financial year 2018-19, that is assessment in 1920, is extended to 30th June 2020. Similarly, the Aadhaar PAN linking date and the time limit to the Vivad Se Vishwas scheme is extended up to 30th June 2020. However, there is no extension in the following deadlines of income tax, advance tax, TDS, TCS, self-assessment test, equalization levy, STT, CTT. There is a reduction in the interest rate of 9% per annum shall be charged instead of 12% or 18% per annum towards the delayed payment made between 20th March 2020 to 30th June 2020. However, note that no late fees or penalty shall be charged for any delay relating to this period. Further, the assessee and both the income tax authorities has been given an extended time limit of 30th June 2020, where the time limit for the compliance of the matters which expires between 20th March 20 and 29 June 20 with respect to issue of notice, filing of appeal, time limit for completion of proceedings, and various investments. Let's start with the GST. For taxpayers with annual aggregate turnover up to 5 crores, the due date for filing GSTR 3B, that is for the month of Feb 20, March 20, and April 20, has been extended to the last week of June 20. Therefore, no late fees, interest, and penalty shall be levied for them. Similarly, for taxpayer with annual turnover for more than rupees 5 crore, same is the case, except that the interest will be charged at the reduced rate of 9% instead of 18% per annum in case tax payment made after a delay of 15 days from the original due date. Note it again that reduced rate of 9% per annum shall be charged if the tax payment is made after a delay of 15 days from the original due date. Therefore, for taxpayers, the aggregate turnover of more than rupees 5 crores, the due date will be same as them, but they has to pay a 9% interest in case the delay is more than 15 days from the original due date. For taxpayer registered under composition scheme, the due date for filing the statement cum challan, that is EMP08, for the last quarter of the financial 1920 is extended to again last week of June 20. Similarly, GST 4 due date is also extended to the last week of June 20. Further, the last date for opting for composition scheme for financial 2021 has also extended to the last date, that is June 20. And Sabka Vishwas scheme LDRS, that is for indirect taxation, is also extended to 30th June 2020. As similar income tax, the taxpayers and the tax authorities has got an extended time limit to comply with the issue of notice, filing of appeals, and other matters. Now come with the corporate affairs related to MCA. Therefore, realization in the MCA compliance has been given. That is, a monitoring period has been defined from 1st April 20 to 30th September 20, during which the companies and LLCs need not pay any additional fees for any late filing of documents, return statement, irrespective of due date. Therefore, company can file the documents, return and statements irrespective of due date till 30th September 2020. Therefore, it also provided a breather to the existing companies and LLPs as well as opportunity for the new non-compliant companies to start afresh. Also, the conduct of board meeting by the companies with an interval of 120 days is now extended by a further period of 60 days, that is till 30th September 2020. There is a good news for chartered accountants as well as the companies that Caro Audit Report 2020 will be made applicant from financial year 2021 instead of financial year 1920, therefore benefiting the companies as well as the statutory auditors like us. Further, Section 4 of the Companies Act 2013 is not considered to be violated if the independent directors of the company could not hold the executive meeting during the financial year 1920. It is good for the independent directors. Further, the newly incorporated companies will get an additional 6 months for filing the declaration form for the commencement of business. Next is like any director of a company who has not stayed in India for more than 182 days will still be considered as a resident of India in compliance with the law. Further, the following requirement has been postponed from 30th April 2020 to 20th June 2020, that is with respect to creation of depository draft containing at least 20% of deposit maturing in financial year 2020-21 and investment of 15% debentures maturing in specific year in specified instruments. So as you are aware that our country is fighting against COVID-19, in case you wish to make donation, you may make your donation to the PM CARES Fund. That is 100% deduction is allowed on donation made to the PM CARES Fund. Also, the limit of deduction of 10% of GTI is not applicable for donation made to PM CARES Fund. This is applicable to individual and all the other than the individuals as well. Hope so. You have liked my video. In case you have liked this video, please do click on the like and subscribe button. In case of any queries, you may mail to it on vikas.asawai@ici.org or you can contact me on the number given below. We'll be happy to revert as soon as possible. So subscribe it, be in touch. We'll update more videos in the coming times. Hope to see you.